Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best baby detergent that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Attitude Laundry Detergent for baby clothes. The Attitude Little Ones fragrance-free laundry detergent is an eco-healthy detergent alternative that we can't say enough good things about. Not only does it get clothes clean, but it is vegan and cruelty-free. We love the limited ingredient list and that it is one of the few in our review to rate an A on EWG. This product is fragrance-free with no odor at all, and it is free of dyes, carcinogen ingredients, and byproducts. It is CO2 neutral with no impact on climate change, and you only need a small amount for a normal size load. This detergent only comes in a fairly small bottle, so while it should last for a while, it might disappoint users used to the giant economy bottle you can buy in a box store. Also, it is a little more expensive than the competition. While we believe the additional cost is worth it for everything you get and the lack of impact on climate change, it could make it a no-go for those on a strict budget. Overall, there is no real fault to find with this exceptional product, and any family concerned about the environment or limiting chemicals near their baby will love the Attitude Little Ones. Moving on at number 4, we have the Purex Liquid Laundry Detergent. Purex Natural comes in a small bottle with a big impact, working for up to 96 loads when used as directed. This easy-to-use pump bottle detergent is free of sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, SLES, sodium cocoa sulfate, SCS, petrochemicals, sulfates, caustics, phosphates, animal byproducts, dyes, chlorine, allergens, or optical brighteners, and is certified cruelty-free. The pump comes loose, and you need to screw it in place, but it is a nice change from the more common fill-the-lid variety. It is a plant-based formula that is safe for septic systems, vegan, gluten-free, and biodegradable. The company claims it is 99.5% natural. In our tests, it worked well on our food and formula stains, with only a light yellow discoloring from the fecal matter. While the Purex liquid worked well on the food and formula staining, it struggled somewhat with the poop. It didn't have as much staining as some other contenders, but you can see a yellow remnant under some lights. It is also somewhat more expensive than the competition. However, if you do the math per load with 96 loads in one bottle, it is actually fairly economical per load. Unfortunately, we suspect most parents will use more than they need as the prescribed amount doesn't feel like enough, and we struggled with the desire to add more liquid to each load. Overall, we like the lack of concerning chemicals and that it is safe for septic systems and cruelty-free. The fact that it more or less gets clothes clean in our testing is just icing on the cake. At number 3, we have the 7th Generation Concentrated Laundry Detergent. 7th Generation Free and Clear is a biodegradable detergent from a well-known brand. It is a 96% USDA-certified bio-based product, free from dyes, artificial brighteners, and fragrances. In our tests, this option left clothes smelling fresh and feeling soft. 7th Generation is produced in the USA and comes in a smaller, easy-to-handle bottle with a mess-free lid. This detergent includes methylisothiazolinone, a synthetic preservative, which is not considered environmentally friendly and is a potential irritant or allergen. While not a deal-breaker, it is important to mention it for those with highly sensitive skin. 7th Generation is a little spendier than others in our review, covering about 53 loads for a price on par with those that cover closer to 90. It didn't perform well in our tests with any substance, leaving behind staining evidence of formula, food, and poo. In the end, there is nothing supremely wrong with this detergent. This product is easier to find in stores than many greener options, but this lineup has some eco-healthier, more effective, and less expensive choices. At number 2, we have the Rockin' Green Baby Cloth Diaper Detergent. Rockin' Green Platinum Series Detergent is a powder-style detergent specific for cloth diapers. This powder comes in a Ziploc, heavy-duty plastic bag with a small measuring scoop. This detergent is vegan, cruelty-free, and hails from the USA. It is biodegradable and free from harmful chemicals like SLS, SLES, phosphates, parabens, phthalate, optical brighteners, and artificial fragrances. One package works for 45 to 90 loads depending on the washing machine type, and the scoop is easy to use even if you have to get your hands in the detergent to finish the task. This product includes tea tree oil, which some report causes rashes on sensitive skin. Because the oil is only utilized for scent and dissipates quickly, we think it would be better without it. We also weren't impressed with its ability to work on stains. It struggled with poo, formula, and food stains during our testing. We did not pre-soak the stained garments, and while this might increase its ability to get things clean, we feel the average parent won't have the time or energy to pre-soak and manage laundry to that extent. The residual staining makes Rock & Green a detergent we feel needs improvement, and we think there are more effective contenders in this lineup for getting things clean. However, we appreciate the lack of harmful chemicals, which put it in a higher position than options with known irritants. And finally at number 1, we have the Purex Liquid Laundry Detergent. Purex Liquid is a baby-centric, scented detergent that comes in a large bottle with an easy-to-use lid. It is one of the least expensive options in this review, making it one that might appeal to parents on the tightest of budgets. This detergent is old school in its formulation, with none of the free of claims you'll find in more eco-healthy options. It contains a variety of potentially concerning ingredients, including but not limited to, the fragrance ingredient, which is proprietary and could include any number of chemicals. The manufacturer does not have to reveal what it is specifically. It also has a more potent fragrance than much of the competition, and while not offensive, it isn't necessary and is more potent than baby clothes require. Overall, we think better, healthier options in this review were more effective in removing stains and getting clothes clean in our tests. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.